How can I find the current OS in Python? As the title says, how can I find the current operating system in Python?
I usually use sys.platform to get the platform. Sys.platform will distinguish between Linux, other Unixes, and OS X, while os.name is POSIX for all of them. For much more detailed information, use the platform module. This has cross-platform functions that will give you information on the machine architecture, OS and OS version of Python, etc. Also it has OS-specific functions to get things like the particular Linux distribution.
If you want user-readable data but still detailed, you can use platform.platform. Platform also has some other useful methods. Here's a few different possible calls you can make to identify where you are. Linux_distribution and dist seem to have gone from recent Python versions, so they have a wrapper function here. The outputs of this script ran on a few different systems: Linux, Windows, Solaris, macOS, and architectures, x86, x64, Itanium, PowerPC, Spark, is available here, this URL. For example, Solaris on Spark gave or macOS on M1.
This gives you the essential information you will usually need. To distinguish between, say, different editions of Windows, you will have to use a platform-specific method.
This URL. To complement Greg's post, if you're on a POSIX system, which includes macOS, Linux, Unix, etc., you can use os.uname to get a better feel for what kind of system it is.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.